Hello everyone. Let's now talk about flash fill. Flash fill is the fastest way to enter data based on logical patterns. And the best part is it doesn't require any formula or function. Now let's illustrate with this employee list we have on the screen. And to enter a column for full name, all we need to do is go into the next empty column, and in my case that will be column D, and then we start typing the full name for the first entry. So I'll go. Once you do that, you press the enter key and then you simply go into the data tab, and under the data tools group you will see a button for flash fill there. As you can see, the shortcut for that is simply Ctrl E, and once you click on that, the system senses the pattern and fills up the rest of the list. And if I scroll down my list of several employee names, you will see that the full names have been automatically filled in, and that's how you use the fill button in Microsoft Excel. We can illustrate with another example, and assuming we wanted to create an email address for the employees, we could start a pattern with the first letter of the first name and then the last name at the domain, and simply press enter. This time around I'll use Ctrl E, and we'll see how that works. And now I have the list populated with the email address based on the pattern I created with the first entry. And that's how you use the flash fill button to populate databases in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.